Good morning, children. Suprabhat. Namaste. How are you all? Hope you all are safe and doing well. Stay home, stay safe. Well, children, in the last session, I have explained you about the globes and I hope you all have understood. Assignment sheet was given and I hope you all have attended that. And today's session, I am going to teach you about maps. So let's begin the session now. Maps. Children, what is a map? Well, a map is a drawing of the earth, usually on a flat surface like a paper. So, a map of a place is a drawing of the place or a part of it. Can you see the map here? Can you see the map here? Yes. This is a map. Children, the word map comes from the Latin word mappa, which means a napkin. Like a napkin, a map can be easily folded and stored. That's why that word is used for it. And you know, children, the different type of maps, like you have the physical maps, political maps, thematic maps, there is a book of maps and it is called atlas. What it is called? Atlas. And I'm sure along with your social textbook, you people could have got the atlas also. So what is an atlas? An atlas is a book of maps. You can see the atlas here. It is a book of maps. Now, what are the different types of maps? Well, children, there are different types of maps such as physical maps, political maps, and thematic maps. First, today, we will learn about the physical maps. Let me show you the physical maps. See, children, this is a physical map. Can you see? This is the map of India. And here it is about the India rivers and lakes. Now, what is a physical map, children? Physical map shows the locations and shape of the features on the surface of the earth. These includes natural features like mountains, water bodies, or structures built by humans such as roads, canals, dams, etc. See here. Can you see? So a physical map, it shows the location and the features on the surface of the earth. These all include the natural features like the mountains, water bodies. Do you see here? The rivers and the lakes of India is shown on this map. So it shows the rivers, it shows the water bodies, or it can also show the structures that has been made by the humans such as the roads, canals, etc. Now, political maps. What are the political maps? Political maps show boundaries and locations of the states and union territories, capitals, and the cities. Well, here you see the political map of India. Do you see here? Yes. And children, there is an interesting thing about the map of India. You know, can you tell me how many states and union territories are there in India? Yes. If you are wondering how many states are there in India in 2020, the answer is 28 states and 8 union territories, children. It's not 29 states and 7 union territories. In 2020, it is 28 states and 8 union territories. Until 6th August 2019, there were officially 29 states in India. There were officially how many states, children? 29 states in India. But that number now has been decreased by 1 to make 28 states after Jammu and Kashmir was granted the status of union territory with its own legislature. Legislature meaning, we'll let you know afterwards, children. So now we have, after the Jammu and Kashmir has been made union territory, so now at present India has 28 states and 8 union territories. And this is the political map of India. And it shows the boundaries and the locations of states, union territories, cities, etc. And you can even see the capitals of the state here, children. Can you see here? Can you see here? Telangana, Hyderabad, Maharashtra, Mumbai, Rajasthan, Jaipur. And the union territories, you will see Jammu and Kashmir, Chandigarh, New Delhi. Here you see Puducherry, Daman and Diu. This is the political map of India. Now we come to the thematic maps. Well, what are the thematic maps? The thematic maps, they show certain themes or topics like rainfall, population, etc. That is why it's called thematic maps. And these maps are related to the themes. They show certain themes such as rainfall, population, etc. in that particular area or or that country. Maps that show small areas such as a street, a house, or a room in detail are called plans. Can you see the plan here? It is just a plan of a house. So you see it's an entrance. Here it's a, if you go there, you have the formal living room, then you have the dining room, you have the kitchen here. So when these about, it is shown in a detailed form. You understand? Like maps that show small areas in a detail, everything is given a detail here, children. Can you see here? See here. Such maps are called plans. Such maps are called plans. You see, you can see even the direction here, north. So now we come to the advantages of a map. What are the advantages of a map? Well, a map certainly has many advantages. Here we will discuss three. That is, a map is easy to carry. A map gives information about places in detail. It shows all the places at the same time. A map gives information about the places in more detail than a globe. And we can look at the different places at the same time and compare them on the surface of a map. Well, here you have an interesting video, children, which will show you the difference between a map and a globe. We have already studied about the globe, and today I explained you about the map. Now let us watch that video.
Globe. A globe is a man-made, three-dimensional, spherical model of our planet Earth. The globe shows the exact shape and position of continents, countries, oceans, and seas. Maps. Maps are two-dimensional representation of the globe. They are drawn on paper or on a flat surface like a wall or a board and help to understand a specific limited part of the Earth. Maps also facilitate a detailed study of the physical aspect of the Earth. Difference between a globe and a map. Globe is a spherical, three-dimensional representation of the Earth drawn to scale. Map is a two-dimensional representation of the Earth drawn to scale. Globe covers areas in a broader form. Maps are more detailed. Globe is not very easy to carry around. Maps can be folded and are thus easier to carry. Globe provides details such as the capital of the country or any important place. Maps can include minute details about the street and road of a particular area.
Well, children, nice video regarding difference between the globes and the maps. I hope now it is very clear to you all what is the difference between globe and a map.
Globe. A globe.
Yes, now we come to the end of this particular topic, map, children. I hope it is clear to you all what I said about the map. Again, I will do the recapitulation for you all again. So a map is a drawing of the earth, usually on the flat surface like a paper. A map of a place is a drawing of a place or a part of it. We can carry maps from one place to another. An atlas is a book of maps. A map gives information about the place in more detail than a globe. We can look at the places at the same time and compare them on the surface of a map. There are different types of maps. They are the physical maps, which shows the location and shapes of the features and surface of the earth. This include the natural features such as continents, ocean, and the water bodies. Political maps, which focuses on the boundaries and the location of the countries, state, union territories, cities, and capitals. And the thematic maps that tells us about the certain themes or topics, such as rainfall, population, etc. And the maps that show small areas, such as a house or a street in a detailed manner, are called plans. Now, this is your assignment sheet, children. Fill in the blanks. A map is a dash of the earth. A dash map tells us about a topic such as rainfall, population, etc. Answer the following question. What is a map? What is a plan? Question number 3. How are maps more useful than globes? Question number 4. Differentiate between a globe and a map. Question number 5. Name the different types of maps. Explain about them. Well, this question and answer these questions, I expect you all to attempt it right in your notebook. Before I begin my session, next session, I will definitely discuss the answers with you all. Well, children, hope you all liked the session today. Well, children, with this, we come to the end of the session about the maps. Please attempt all the questions given in the assignment sheet. Make a note of it. And definitely, I'll discuss everything with you before I begin my next topic. Take care, children. Bye.